Bananas and artificial intelligence might sound like a joke, but the truth is fascinating. These two seemingly unrelated things are connected in the world of nano-banana AI. Today, we'll explore what nano-banana AI is, why scientists are mixing bananas with nanotechnology, how AI is revolutionizing the process, and what it could mean for medicine, energy, agriculture, and the environment. Let's start with nanotechnology. Nano refers to working with materials at an incredibly tiny scale, a billionth of a meter. At this level, materials behave differently. They can be stronger, lighter, or conduct electricity better. This scale allows innovations that were impossible a few decades ago. Bananas are surprisingly useful for nanotechnology. Their fibers, peels, stems, and leaves contain compounds that can be transformed into nanoparticles and nanofibers. Banana-based materials are biodegradable, renewable, and versatile. The natural structure of banana fibers, with cellulose and other compounds, makes them excellent for nanoscale applications. Combine this with AI or artificial intelligence, and you get nano-banana AI. AI allows scientists to design, simulate, and optimize banana-derived nanomaterials. Thousands of material structures can be tested virtually to predict which will have the best strength, flexibility, or conductivity. AI acts as a virtual laboratory, speeding up research and reducing waste. Bananas are also abundant. Over 100 billion are consumed every year worldwide, producing massive agricultural waste, peels, stems, and leaves. Instead of being discarded, this waste is a gold mine for nanomaterials. AI simulates ways to process fibers, predicting which structures work best. This reduces years of trial and error to months. AI turbocharges nanotechnology. Traditionally, creating nanomaterials required extensive lab work. AI can simulate countless scenarios and predict how banana-based nanofibers behave. This identifies optimal structures for strength, conductivity, and flexibility while cutting costs and time. Nano-banana AI has exciting real-world applications. Banana-derived nanofibers can be used in wound dressings and drug delivery. AI predicts how fibers interact with cells, optimizing healing and safety. Banana peel nanomaterials are being tested in batteries and supercapacitors. AI models design efficient structures for longer-lasting, eco-friendly energy. Nanoparticles from bananas can filter heavy metals and pollutants from water. AI determines optimal particle size and concentration. Biodegradable banana nanofibers can slowly release nutrients into soil. AI models predict degradation and nutrient release to improve crop yields sustainably. There's also a fun side. Some AI researchers use bananas because they're recognizable and fun. Models are sometimes trained on banana images to test pattern recognition. The phrase banana for scale pops up as a joke in labs. Nano-banana AI blends serious research with creativity and humor. The bigger picture is clear. Nano-banana AI shows how technology and sustainability can work together. Everyday banana waste, combined with AI, can become groundbreaking applications in medicine, energy, and environmental protection. Big innovations often start from small, ordinary things. So, the next time you peel a banana, think about the possibilities hidden inside. That peel could power a battery, clean polluted water, or save a life. Nano-banana AI shows that innovation can come from the most unexpected places. Which of these uses amazed you the most? Would you try a banana-powered bandage or a banana-based battery? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed learning about nano-banana AI, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech explainers, and share this with a friend who loves science and bananas. Thanks for watching.